Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Decide whether the eggs meme will be a still image, an animated GIF, or a short video. Short video length typically runs 6 to 15 seconds for better engagement. Choose output dimensions: 1080 x 1080 pixels for square posts, 16:9 for widescreen, or 720 x 1280 for vertical. Plan a clear gag or juxtaposition. Emphasize one egg's reaction, pair two eggs to show contrast, or exaggerate a yolk detail. Write one punchline and one visual beat to land the joke. Use consistent lighting. Soft light placed about 45 degrees from the subject reduces harsh shadows and keeps yolk highlights readable. Record at 24 or 30 FPS for cinematic or standard motion, and frame so you can crop cleanly to 1080 x 1080 or 16:9. In editing, build tension for 3 to 5 seconds, deliver the punchline in 1 to 2 seconds, then leave a 0.5-second pause for reaction. Keep color grading minimal and export at 1080p with a bitrate around 8 Mbps for upload. Write a concise caption under 90 characters that frames the joke and include 1 to 3 relevant hashtags to reach topic audiences. Add on video text overlays using a sans serif font sized about 36 to 48 points, centered or aligned to safe margins so mobile viewers read without cropping. Consider platform specifics. Use square 1080 x 1080 for Instagram grid, vertical 720 x 1280 for stories or TikTok. Publish when your audience is active, typically around 6.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.